Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Right now I'm heading out. I'm gonna bring my dog Phoebe to the groomer because she's looking a little crazy. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Enjoy the video. Phoebe, you're gonna go get a haircut? Look pretty. I guess I'm so late to the game all the time. I never know what's going on like with trends and stuff, but I guess throwing axes is like a huge thing now. So they brought one out to Hawaii. They opened one up. So we are going to do some axe throwing. It's gonna be blind girl throwing axes. What do you think of that? Scary, yeah.
Terrifying.
Hey, I've shot guns before and all sorts of things. So blind people can do whatever you can do, just so you know, okay? No, but for real, like safety wise, like no one will be harmed because it'll just be like wood at the end. A target. It'll just be a target at the end. So a bullseye. So nobody's gonna get hurt. It's gonna be the shakiest film. I'm so sorry because I have this Gorilla Pod, but this camera is like 50 pounds on top of just like it's just like swaying. It is nearly impossible to hold. Anyway, so I think we're gonna do a little bit of shopping today. There's some things I want to look for in my house for. Are you excited for shopping?
Yeah.
I'm excited. She's so all that noise is her. Just her excitement. What'd you get?
What?
What'd you get?
Oh, deep sea something.
That was such an amazing pedicure. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So he had an impromptu pedicure for us and it was really nice. I got a kiwi pedicure. I don't know what that is other than it smells like kiwi, but I'm still, like, you guys, not even kidding. If you guys watched my last video, I was sick. This is the 13th day where I still have symptoms. 13 days. That's insane. We're almost half a month here. Ready? Wow, she knows she's pretty. Hey, show me your haircut. Wow, pretty. I think she's scared of the camera. You're scared of the camera? Here. Well, we picked up a few things from TJ Maxx. We got Phoebe her grooming appointment, and then for me, and then we did the like pedicure, which was really amazing. And now we are getting ready, and then we're gonna go to Hawaiian Brian's, a comedy show, and then we're gonna go to axe throwing. And but I want to show you just a couple of things I got from TJ Maxx. And for me, I get all of my workout clothes from Love Fitness Apparel, and you guys can use my discount code if you guys want. I'll pop it up on the screen. But I want to show you guys because like TJ Maxx has like a lot of like, I think it's like 90 degrees, but like really cheap things, because for me, I'm like definitely all about the budget stuff. I have this TJ Maxx bag. I'll show you guys a couple of things. I found these marble napkins and I thought those were super cute and they'll match like my table. So I got those. And then this one I thought was the cutest thing I got today. It's this pink jacket. This is totally like a Lululemon style kind of mock jacket, but it's really cute and it is $19.99 and it is like insanely soft. Like this material is like this silky smooth sort of like material, and I loved the pink color. And then I wanted to get more, like I realized I didn't have any like short sleeve shirts, like I just have tanks, and I've been really digging short sleeve shirts, and this one was on clearance, so I was just like, that one's kind of cute. Basic workout top. And again, like this one's not silky, but it's like that super like ultra soft cottony feel. And then I got this one was on clearance too. Like a long sleeve white shirt. This is like, I don't know what material that is, but I got that one. I was trying to go for like just some flowy tops, things like that. So I feel like I don't have many of those. And then this shirt right here. This one has like this mesh sleeve, and I don't know, I just thought it was really cool. Like, I'm trying to expand my workout clothes to like different options, because I feel like I have crop tops, sports bras, tank tops, but I don't have like the short sleeve shirts. And the short sleeve shirts I do have are like free t-shirts from like shows and things like that. So yeah, and then I think that's it. Yeah, I think Steven picked out a candle, so I'll show you the candle. Lavender chamomile, that's super good. Yeah, definitely a fan of TJ Maxx, deals, candles, workout clothes, so that's kind of why I go there. But I'm going to get dressed, and we're gonna dress like lumberjacks. Do you have something lumberjack?
I do not.
Well, I mean, who doesn't have like a lumberjack outfit? But yeah, I'm gonna dress like a lumberjack. I'm probably gonna get, I don't know if I'm gonna curl my hair or not, but I'll see you guys in a minute, okay? Wouldn't it be super cool if I could change this fast in real life? He's such a noob, you guys. He didn't turn on the microphone, so I just recorded everything.
Do it again.
Okay.
Uncover everything.
All right, guys, I'm doing a lumberjack chic look, AKA just wearing plaid, but I figure like badass woman, with the heels on, blind girl throwing the axes, thumbnail, like, you know what I mean, like blind girl throwing axes, why not? But I'm excited. We're gonna go to the Love Fitness Apparel warehouse. We're meeting up with Brandon and Crystal. They're the owners of Love Fitness Apparel, but yeah, I'm excited. Ready, Steve?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
What the hell, man?
She's on my team. Well, now you're gonna jinx it. Hey guys, so it is the next morning. Last night, I don't even know how fast time flew. All of a sudden, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. We're at Shokudo eating sushi and having honey toast. So it was a good night. It was so much fun. The comedy show was really amazing. We did have to duck out early. It was a benefit, one of my friends, who is raising money for an operation. So it was really cool. They passed around buckets. And so I'm hoping that they made a ton of money for that. That was really cool. Hilarious, tons of comedians. That was awesome. So you guys just saw videos of axe throwing and stuff like that. That was really cool. I was surprisingly pretty decent at it. Like, I was nervous because like I just didn't know like how it would go, but it was pretty easy and super fun. And I won. I beat my friends. Anyways, so this is that clearance shirt I showed you guys yesterday, the Adidas, but like look how perfect this like line is that's running down with these. These are the LFA, the Love Fitness Apparel seamless. I'm not sure, just the gray color. But yeah, so that works pretty well. So Love Fitness Apparel is doing a pop-up right now, so we are heading out to that. So let's go.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me? Why don't you do what you're trying to deny. That we should be together. It's heavy weather.
Alright guys, before I close out the vlog, I want to show you guys a couple things I got from the store. I got 2 of these things from Target. They're like this white marble, white dry erase board, like $9 a piece, I think. So I have that. I have a magnet collection. I like to collect and kind of like a visual memory from like when I travel different places, because I see it and then like it reminds me of the trip or where we were or what we were doing. So I really like that. And I've been having them on my fridge, but I've had quite a few fall off and break just because you're constantly opening and closing the fridge and freezer. So I wanted to take them off of that and then put them on something else. Probably put them in my room. But yeah, so found that. But then I got some groceries. I am not on a meal plan right now. I'm just intuitive eating healthy, more balanced. I'm gonna kind of lock down and get on a meal plan again soon. But let me show you guys this. I'm eating pizza, so definitely we're gonna have a pizza and movie night and just like have some balance and just eat and enjoy, and then just be lifting and trying to put on some muscle as well, being in a calorie surplus. But I got a few things from the store for tomorrow. I love fruit, so I've been I got some cuties. These are like not cuties, these are off-brand cuties, whatever my store had. And then I have grapes and bananas, and then I got a bunch. So I got some Greek yogurt, Greek 100 proteins. I got blueberry, strawberry, and then oh my gosh, key lime pie, which is amazing. This one's the Oiko, so this one's different. So I got those, and I got some reduced sugar oatmeal. I love oatmeal. It's one of my favorite things. And so it is not the sugar-free kind, but it is reduced sugar. And then these guys I really like, the Puffins honey rice cereal. So this will be kind of carb source, like snack on a little bit. I still have more stuff in my fridge that I'm going to be adding into my diet, but I kind of want to show you guys some non-bikini competition things. I love fruit, I love Greek yogurt, I love oatmeal, I love all that stuff. So again, just having some balance, enjoying, but yeah, going to be working out and living a healthy lifestyle. So I just kind of want to show you guys some of the things, because I feel like a lot of the times on YouTube I'm just showing like competition, like ultra clean, low carb sort of stuff. So I'm just having more balance here, and still healthy options, but you know, not super like I'm terrified of sugar so I can't have a banana, sort of like a meal plan. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye guys.